Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Cash App to purchase Robux, so let's get right into it. Now, purchasing Robux with Cash App is entirely possible, and I'll be using this guide on PlayByte simply to explain everything to you guys, since Cash App is not available in my region at the moment, so I have no other way of explaining this to you. I hope you guys understand, but without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, you can do this in two ways. One of them is purchasing a Robux gift card, or you can put in the Cash App card as a payment method, and both are valid completely, so you can use whichever one you prefer. But to use it as a gift card, or to buy a gift card with Cash App, all you need to do is just load the money into your account, then find a retailer who sells Robux gift cards and accepts Cash App as a form of payment. Then you just need to purchase that gift card, redeem it within Roblox itself, and that is pretty much it. You should get the code in your email, which you can then input into Roblox, and you'll get the Robux that you've bought, and that's pretty much it. Now, as for actually buying Robux within the app, you just need to get your Cash App account verified. You need to have the Cash App Cash card, and once you have it, you can then use it as a standard Visa debit card, and you can go into Roblox and you can just update or upload or put in the money into your account. Just use it again as a debit card and just pay the money. And once you get the money into your Roblox account, you can just buy Robux with that, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.